Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. In here. This car is about Mr. Beethoven. Beethoven is the wonderful componist of fantastic music. Da, 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 da. That's the melody for la 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 la. And here are some other details. Kannst du mal aufmachen kurz? Here another Beethoven as a puppet. And here some more notes.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is my wife. She's called Birgit. And she
Hello.
it's her concept to design this car as Beethoven.
Beetle. Nice name.
Communities in Germany,
Yeah.
Beetle Berlin, Beetle Hannover, Beetle Darmstadt, Beetle Kiel.
To have fun. That's all.
It's a hobby.
And I hope this can even Indian friends understand.
Yeah, everyone will understand. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice evening.